Hi, and welcome back to Getting Comfortable with Meal Garden. This is episode 5, the last episode, and it's working with recipes. I'm Jeff, an onboarding specialist and the co-founder at Meal Garden, and that's Marty and Harvey, relaxing after their first successful day as Meal Garden recipe testers. As a recap, you're working with a leading health and wellness professional who uses the Meal Garden platform to deliver nutritional content and make it easier for you to succeed in your transformations. You'll notice that every meal garden is a little different. So the meal garden that you're using may have a different logo, some different colors or fonts. All the capabilities are the same. It's a really useful video, and you'll be able to apply it to your meal garden very easily. So in this video, we're going to look at working with recipes. So first, we're going to look at navigating your cookbook using the search features and the filters. Then we'll dive into recipes, importing, creating, and editing recipes. All right, let's hop over here. And here we are at the cookbook. And what you'll see is the cookbook is a combination of your cookbook as well as all the recipes that your practitioner is giving you access to, right? So if you click on search results and you click find, you'll be presented with results of your cookbook and then results from Meal Garden. And Meal Garden is, again, the recipes that your practitioner has given you access to, right? So if we wanted to, we can go up here into the search and type, okay, just do that. So we found one meal with stress. Back to our cookbook here. Okay, you can use these filters to kind of find recipes in a certain amount of time or a certain amount of ingredients. So it can really kind of address any, if you're in a rush or you need something quick. You can also sort your results by time, simplicities, which is number of ingredients, or most recent, right? So things that you've used most recently. And you can also kind of filter by the types of meals that you have in here. So you can click on salad, click on breakfast. And, again, when you click on the meal, you have your favorites. You can go ahead and hit schedule, which will help you to schedule it, or you can hit edit. Okay. So this isn't our recipe. So it's going to say, hey, we're going to make a copy of it for you. And say, okay, we go ahead and edit it. And, maybe there's something in here. You're going to notice over here, we have this real-time recipe or nutritional calendar or sidebar. And let's just say we don't like green onions. So we're going to move green onions. You'll see that'll update. Change the name. Save. There we go. And then click there to get back to your cookbook, okay? Now you can also create recipes. So the one thing you can do is you can import a recipe. So if you click on import recipe, you can add a URL. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And there we have it. So there's a whole bunch of red up here saying, what Meal Garden's up to, and then you'll see all the information we've grabbed. So anything with the red, you have to update, right? So artichoke charts, click here, canned. And you just kind of go down the course here, right? So this chopped fresh, so that's fine. Dried oregano, that's fine. And then you need to add tomatoes, small, cucumber, small. In some cases, you may need to go back to the recipe, kind of get a sense of what you're doing, but 1 can. So once you get it the way you want it, you can just go ahead and hit save. And there you go. Now there's no image. You'll need to add your own image, but in tutorials, there's a tutorial in there that talks about how to take great pictures. So you can go ahead and do that. It's automatically been made as favorite as well. So if we go back here, we're going to see Greek oregano salad. The other thing that you can do that I actually missed, I'll tell you, is you scroll down here and you add the instructions. You can go ahead and add what kind of dish it is as well. So this is obviously salad, might be a main, could be lunch, right? That's where you upload your image, save, and away you go. And again, you can see up here, click back to my cookbook. Okay, and if you're creating a recipe from scratch, you can just go in, you type the ingredient, I have a list of all these ingredients that come up. You can click them out, click the measurement, add a comment, and then just add new. Okay. You can also delete, or if you need to pre-prep it, you can add pre-prep instructions, and that if you schedule the meal, it'll automatically add the pre-prep instructions in the right place so you can get your meal, get things prepped out for it. Okay. All right, I think that really covers everything. I guess the last thing is being able to print a recipe, right? So you can click here, download a PDF. It's the same idea as you can with your meal plans and your collections. You just hit create PDF. Okay, and you click over here and generate a PDFs. You'll see your PDF, right? So if you want to print it out, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. That about covers all the things for working with recipes. So we looked at navigating a cookbook, working with recipes, importing, creating, and editing them. And with that, we're done. That's all 5 episodes. So congratulations. You now know how to use the Meal Garden platform to achieve your goals and make healthy eating habits easier. As always, you can leave me a comment in the video notes. You can ask a question in the help. And congratulations, you're on the way to a healthier and better life. Take care.